Yo, 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 what up, my freakazoids, and hello, Ultra Gamers, it's me, the Gaming Freak, and today, we're gonna play some more Wolf Among Us, since it is Saturday. Saturdays is Telltale Days. So, guys, first of all, I want to apologize to my freakazoids for not making a video yesterday. I will cancel Sunday to do what I would usually do on Friday to make it up to you guys. And last time, we heard a knock on the door, so we're gonna finally see who it is. So we're going to the door. Let's see who it is, guys.
Bigby!
Snow?
Come with me.
Now it's Snow White. Okay.
Snow. Snow!
What? Sorry, What is it?
What happened?
I just can't get into it this second. We need to hurry to...
Hi.
Hello. Good morning. Or evening.
Yeah.
Man, she must be
These
scared.
walls are paper thin. We need to be careful. We'll talk outside.
Oh boy. What's going on, people? First Beauty and the Beast, now Snow White. What the... Did a security guard just get killed? Oh boy. Don't let it be anything. Oh my God!
You knew this girl? She's not a Mundy, right? Who was she? I thought I knew everyone in Fabletown. She looks familiar.
Working girl.
A working girl?
A working girl? I'm a working... Oh.
I'll give you guys 3 guesses who killed her if you've seen the other videos.
Threatened to kill us both.
No. You don't think he...
I don't think anything yet. Just give me a second.
It's just... terrible.
Did you see anyone?
So, did you see anyone else?
No. No one.
No cabs, no voices, Mundies?
Maybe, but... No. I don't think so. I would remember.
Okay.
Big P, did one of us do this?
There hasn't been a murder in Fabletown in a long time.
All the more reason we shouldn't start a panic before we know what's going on.
Dang, this must have been a corrupt yet
Have a look
balanced
around.
town if there hasn't been a
Don't have
murder
much
in
time
years.
before people will be coming through here.
I don't know what the use of that was, but okie dokie.
Strange cut. What did this to her?
What could do something like that?
Either something very sharp or something with magic attached to it.
So apparently we're examining this. Oh, we're gonna find out who killed her. Yeah, I noticed that.
What is? She was placed here with some care.
What do you mean?
You can see that someone didn't just toss her here. She was deliberately placed for us to find.
What kind of monster would do this?
Ah, really?
It's a ribbon. There's some kind of symbol here.
I don't recognize it.
That
Neither
is
do I.
gross.
I'm sorry. This is just so surreal. Um, what do you want to do next?
Investigate more.
We still have some time. We should keep investigating the area.
Okay, good idea.
Alright, so we're gonna talk to her. We're gonna talk to Snow
Hey,
first.
Snow. You alright?
Yes, thanks. But you should hurry. We don't have much time left. We should head back inside soon.
Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. So guys, this has got to be our shortest video yet, but hold on, guys. Sorry, guys, had a little interruption to deal with. So, guys, I know this was a very short video, but you know the rules. When we're on a place where we walk, we end the video right here. So, I hope you enjoyed the video so far, and I hope you keep watching The Wolf Among Us. So, for my Freakazoids, see you on the Freakazoid side, and for my Ultra Gamers, game hard, and goodbye.